हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिवाली के लिए आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी क्लोथिंग आइटम्स एंड तुम लोगों से वो सब शेयर ना करूँ, हाउ इज दैट इवन पॉसिबल? सो आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी कुर्ता सेट्स फ्रॉम Amazon फॉर दिस दिवाली. All of them are super affordable. I have got them in such a great deal because Amazon is having their great Indian festival. 50 to 80% discount on fashion and beauty products. There will be top brands, new offers, latest deals every single day. Amazon has deals on 2 lakh plus styles and easy return policy. So don't miss out this chance. Start shopping from Amazon for this festive season. Buy more and save more only on Amazon Great Indian Festival. Having said all these, now let's get started with today's video. The first kurta set I want to show you guys is this kurta set right here. It's this very pretty turquoise blue sort of a color. It's a straight fit kurta, comes with this straight leg palazzo and this dupatta. So the material of this kurta is Banarasi silk. It has half sleeves as you can see and round neckline. Neckline की यहाँ पे ना ऐसी button detailing है but it's fake. So it has this beautiful golden detailing all over the kurta. जैसे बनारसी सिल्क में होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसी है. लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी एंड इट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड गो सिल्की. नाउ दिस ब्रांड इज वेरी फेमस ऑन Amazon. आप खोलोगे ना तो चारों तरफ आपको गो सिल्की की कुर्ता सेट्स एंड कुर्ताज एंड ये सब आपको दिखेगी. सो ये ब्रांड बहुत ही अच्छी ब्रांड है. दे मेक गुड क्वालिटी क्लोथ, लाइक क्वालिटी भी अच्छी होती है, प्राइस भी डिसेंट होती है एंड डिजाइन वगैरह भी अच्छी होती है. एनीवेज, सो द कुर्ता हैज स्लाइड स्लीव्स. द मटेरियल इज अ लिटिल थिक, लाइक नॉट थिक बट ये पहनोगे ना तो आपको थोड़ी गर्मी लग सकती है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट्स बनारसी सिल्क. थोड़ा सा ऐसे कॉटन वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती है. यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. नाउ कम्स द पलाजो. इट्स अ सॉलिड कलर पलाजो. द मटेरियल ऑफ दिस पलाजो इज विस्कोस आई गेस. इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी फ्लोई एंड कंफर्टेबल. मुझे इसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी लगी है. एंड लास्टली कम्स द दुपट्टा. तो द दुपट्टा इज इन दिस कॉपर कलर एंड ये सिंथेटिक है बिल्कुल, लाइक यू कैन सी. एंड दिस इज हाउ द बॉर्डर लुक्स लाइक. दिस दुपट्टा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिस कुर्ता सो वेल, लाइक द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन यू कैन सी इट्स so pretty. I got this in the size small. ये मुझे एकदम फिटिंग्स नहीं आती है, थोड़ा लूज है एंड हाथ से भी कुछ ज़्यादा ही लूज है. बट आई विल ऑल्टर इट अ बिट एंड व्हेन आई विल फिक्स इट. मुझे थोड़ा सा फिटिंग्स पहनना पसंद है. ओवरऑल आई जस्ट लव द क्वालिटी, लव द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. आई जस्ट लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस. लाइक इट्स अ परफेक्ट दिवाली, परफेक्ट फेस्टिव आउटफिट. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस होल कुर्ता सेट was $779 only, which is according to me is worthy. So the next clothing item I want to talk about is what I am wearing right now. It comes with 3 parts separately. It has a sleeveless top part right here. नीचे palazzo है and ऊपर ये jacket है. As you can see right here, I did not own any kind of ethnic wear like this. The only thing I don't love about this kurta is the material. It's polyester. It's not like it's looking cheap or something. It's looking really pretty. Top part में ना ऐसे neck line पे golden detailing है which looks like a neck piece. तो आपको अलग से कोई neck piece पहनने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. This jacket has this golden detailing all over it. It's very flowy. The palazzo is also very flowy. The jacket has this whole golden walk all over it, so the solid inner parts complements the whole outfit. The material is not stretchy at all, but the top part has a side chain, so you don't have to worry about it. Overall, I just love how it fits me, love how it looks on me, and the price of this ethnic set was 1019 rupees, which is decent I guess. I got this in the size extra small and it's going to be your perfect Diwali outfit because black and golden की जो combination है ना वो एकदम perfect festive wear की combination है. You can definitely check this one out. Moving on to the next kurta set, which is this green colored straight fit kurta. It's again from this brand Ghost Siri की नहीं होती है, मैंने अभी notice किया ये. Sorry for the mispronunciation previously. This is how the neckline looks like. It has this silver colored gotapati work on the collar area and sleeves पे भी है, and it has this kind of print all over the kurta. It has side sleeves too, and sleeves के यहाँ पे भी ना ऐसे silver color की gotapati work है. I forgot to show you. And नीचे भी ऐसे same gotapati work है. Now comes the palazzo. It's again a very flowy palazzo. Palazzo के नीचे भी same gotapati work है silver color की, and it complements the whole outfit so much. The palazzo is also printed. Now let me show you the best part about this palazzo, which is okay. I did not even notice this until now. And lastly, let's talk about the dupatta. So dupatta की border पे भी same gotapati work है, and this is how the border looks like. And the material is very soft synthetic. It's see-through obviously. What I absolutely love about this kurta set is the material is pure cotton, so it's very comfortable. And if you know me then you know this कि I just love cotton. Who doesn't love cotton, right? मैं भी कितनी पागल हूँ. Anyway, I got this in the size small क्योंकि उसके नीचे का size available नहीं है. And the price of this kurta set was 688 rupees, which is again very affordable, very decent. And according to the quality you are getting, it's such a deal. The kurta set looks really simple, but you can still wear it in festivals and wedding वगैरह में भी आप पहन सकते हो ये. It looks really festive appropriate. Next kurta I want to show you guys again from this brand Ghost It's this red straight fit kurta kurta palazzo set. This is how it looks like. It has this keyhole sort of a neckline just like the previous kurta, and again it has this fake button detailing जो पे नहीं होता है. So it has 3/4 sleeves and sleeves पे ऐसे golden zari work है, and except this detailing right here, the kurta doesn't have any other detailing. It's a plain solid red colored kurta. Palazzo is also plain red solid palazzo. It's a very flowy palazzo. इसके भी नीचे सेम ऐसे golden zari work है. Kurta and palazzo आपने देखा बहुत ही simple, बहुत ही plain है. This dupatta complements the whole outfit, completes the whole outfit so well. It's not like it has too much detailing. It's very simple yet very gorgeous. The dupatta is like huge. It's covering the whole frame. Can you see? You can also carry this dupatta just like this. I know it's looking weird because of this combination. Just love wearing reds, you know. तो ये कुर्ता ना मुझे थोड़ा सा वो married woman, newlywed woman type का vibe दे रहा है. I don't know why. You guys tell me, do you also feel like the same? Please do let me know in the comment section. Anyway, I got this in the size small again, and the price of this kurta set was 649. Again, very affordable and very decent according to the quality. The material of this whole set was ruby cotton. ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है description में. I have no idea what ruby cotton is, but it feels like cotton, but not pure cotton. It's very you know, soft and very comfortable, very airy. आपको इतनी गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगी. I just love the overall look, love the quality, love everything about this kurta. And इसमें ना आपको varieties मिल जाएगी, varieties color, like it's available in yellow, green, fuchsia pink, black and so much more. You can definitely check this kurta out. Moving on to the next item, which is this black anarkali kurta set. Yes, it's a anarkali kurta. This is how it looks like. Can you see the flare of this kurta? It's so beautiful. एक time हुआ करता था when I was totally obsessed with anarkalis. I remember I was in school back then, and तब anarkali बहुत trending हुआ करता था. Anyway, so it has this golden printed detailing on the sleeves, and it has 3/4 sleeves, and नीचे भी same prints है. This is how the neckline looks like. Again, it has this golden fake button detailing. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा hook दिया हुआ है, ये real है. This is how the palazzo looks like. It's very flowy, and the material is rayon. The kurta, palazzo and dupatta तीनों की material rayon ही है, and it has this golden and ash prints all over the palazzo, and this is how the dupatta looks like. Now the dupatta is somehow very heavy. Overall, all of them are so soft. Like, can you see this? Love how it feels and looks on me. Love the festive vibe it's giving. I got this kurta set in the size small, and the price of this set was 1325 rupees. So yeah, this kurta set was the expensive one from this entire haul. It's also available in pink color as well, and both of them are looking super gorgeous. Definitely check this one out. And lastly, I have got this yellow colored floral printed straight fit kurta with a palazzo and the dupatta. It looks very simple, but you can still wear it in festive occasions and weddings and all. It has side sleeves, it has this kind of neckline and 3/4 sleeves. This is how the palazzo looks like. Very flowy and very wide legged palazzo. And this is how the dupatta looks like. Now the dupatta is looking a little cheap, but दूर से ठीक ही लग रहा है, but पास से आप देखोगे ना, I don't know how to explain this, but it's a very like cheap quality, but दूर से it's looking very beautiful, and आप इसको कुर्ता सेट के साथ पहनोगे ना तो it's looking very decent. तो मुझे ऐसे कुछ इतना इशू नहीं हो रहा है. Material of this whole kurta set is pure cotton, and that's why I just love everything about this kurta, except the fact that the dupatta is looking really cheap, but I can ignore that. So it's also available in this very pretty pale blue, baby blue sort of a color. It's looking so pretty, and I got this in the size small. The price of this set was 794 rupees, which is, I feel like, a little expensive than the quality you are getting, but it's pure cotton and it's looking very pretty, so I don't mind. But if you have problem with that, then I won't suggest of buying this one. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. Comment down below which kurta set you like the most, and if you're going to buy any of them, do let me know that too in the comment section. If you have any video request, or if you wanna say something to me, you can literally comment down below anything. Share this video with your friends, your family, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.